Everybody come out from this building, please. I beg you in the name of God. Please.
Why? Major reason.
Don't ask me why. Please, can you come out, please?
You state your reasons now.
Please, can you come out? I will state my reasons, but please go out. Everyone should go out. During the rescue operation, people are not allowed to be here.
So if we are not here now, won't this place burn down? Won't this place burn down? Do you know what has happened here? This rescue operation. Do you know what has happened here? Do you know what has happened here? Do you know what we have done here? No, no. I'm asking, what, the major reason why we need to we are still here because this place, one way or the other, is still
go out of this building after we actually finish stopping this fire ourselves before they got to this very place. So if we actually leave this building when this thing happened, won't this place burn down? Yes, now you're telling us to go down after we actually finished stopping the fire for a while. Now you're asking us to go down. Come. Look at the damage. See uniform. See school uniform that got burnt. See school uniform that got burnt. They were just brought here yesterday. Come inside yourself. See, these are textbooks. These are textbooks. Whatever got burnt here is close to #1 million. And you're not telling someone to go outside. Did you think it's easy? You think it's easy? Was there a team that actually stopped this fire? Was there a team? Was there a team that stopped this fire? It wasn't a team. It was community effort. They did this before they got here. Now they said we should leave this place. For what? They've been calling fire service since 5 o'clock, only for them to arrive here to 8. And road was free. Road was free. You call 112. They said they know that they're already on their way. After how many hours? This fire started since before 6 o'clock, since past 5 in the morning. Only for you to arrive here before 8. Now you're telling us to go out. After we finish stopping this fire here ourselves. If we left this place alone when this thing started, won't this place burn down completely? See video her too. She was not that said we should go out. If people didn't rescue this place, I'm saying we should go out. Even if they aren't here, we'll still be here to monitor our eyes. No way! So why do you not say we should go out? We are the one that is meant to go and stay outside. Stay where the fire is. Stay where the fire is. Go to where the fire is. That's what you need to do.
If they are saying that, I disagree totally with them. Because in Lagos State, we have 3 numbers that we normally use for our emergency. We have 112, 767. Again, we have a data number that you can test onto. And one way or the other, my own number is in public domain. My number is 080-6090-7333. And immediately they called me for this incident. I activated the emergency response plan immediately. And all the key stakeholders that are important in managing emergency moved to the scene. You can see that our response was swift, prompt, effective, and efficient. And that is why we can combine this type of fire incident at a shorter time. The incident occurred around 5:45 a.m. and by 8:00 a.m. we are on top of it. And by 8:20 we have put it off. In fact, we've commenced post-disaster risk assessment immediately. And with that, we have 25 houses affected. Out of these 25 houses that were, out of these 25 buildings that were affected, 10 buildings were severely burned. And with this, we have 16 shops affected. We have 3 vehicles affected. We have 2 Okadas, 1 Mawa Okada and 1 plain Okada affected. And by 8:20 a.m., we have put off the fire. We were on top of our challenges. So if you look at it, I will say categorically that our emergency response was swift, prompt, effective, and efficient, and all the key stakeholders were on the ground. We were able to be on top of it. You can see that the area commander is on the ground, the DPO is on the ground, and the police people have done beautifully well. But the lacuna that I keep on emphasizing in almost emergency of Lagos State is the behavioral attitude of our people. Some people will be there taking pictures with their phones. Some people will be there doing a lot of photoshopping. They won't tell us the real incident. They will not be there. They will be doing a lot of photoshopping and sending it to the social media. These are things that we are appealing to the good people of Lagos State to desist from. Again, you can see that this place is well condoned of. The police are there, the neighborhood are there, the civil defense are there, and all the primary responders are on the ground. So I would say, definitely, initially, we have a challenge concerning crowd. But within 20-30 minutes, we are on top of it.